surface is calm, the bottom is cold. Stories of silver, stories of gold. We look at the water to see our own face, lost in the beauty of this lonely place.